Hello.
Hey team, Ed and Lucy here from Hume. We are so stoked to finally be launching our first ever roadshow.
We say roadshow, but we will be flying around Australia, not driving this time. However, we will be coming to 5 states in 2 weeks. We're 2 of our favourite training sessions from 2024 so far. Both of these sessions are designed to boost workflow, your billings, your motivation for the last quarter of 2024 and beyond.
Yeah, so we're kicking off the roadshow in Brisbane on October the 8th before we head to Perth on October the 10th.
Following week, we'll be in our second home, the lovely Sydney, on October the 15th, stopping off in Canberra on October the 16th.
And last but certainly not least, we are going to end the roadshow in our hometown of Melbourne on October the 17th.
Our first training session that we have available to you is our version of what you would call reverse marketing. However, the difference here is it's not about speaking CVs, e-shots, and hit candidate lists. This is a very intelligent, target-driven strategy that builds immediate wins or results. Your consistent billings is there and available to you, giving you close to, dare I say, a 100% fill rate.
Our second session is going to be on business development confidence, and in a nutshell what we're going to do is break apart the whole recruitment process, deep dive and get each individual to understand their client pain points, and then we craft questions around bringing these pain points to life. And as well as that, we're crafting individual USPs to address those pain points. It should end and culminate with the attendee being super confident on holding these conversations and converting.
Now, both these sessions are going to be 3 hours, 3 hours, $350 each session or $600 for a full day of training.
And we are limiting spots to 30 attendees per city.
Now, let's finish the year with a bang. We can't wait to see you in your city soon.
See ya.
See ya.